So today I'm gonna be getting ready to go to work, so please bear with me. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm gonna highlight my eyebrows using the concealer. I'm just gonna go not all the way up, just as close so I can work my way up with the brush, just like that. Guys, I started this new product, which I'm gonna be using it for 8 weeks, and that is the clinical solution. I've started retinol, so I'm gonna be doing updates on that. So last night was my first night, so this has to be done in 8 weeks. The first 2 weeks you do it once a week, and then after that it's twice a week, and it changes as you approaching near the end. So I'm just gonna take it up and tidy it and blend it out. You're a bit lower, helps it to not get that line underneath your eyebrows, so you don't end up having a line of concealer underneath. I'm new to all this, so bear with me. So since I'm just going to work and I don't want to have a full face foundation, so I'm just going to use the CC cream, and this is got SPF 15 UVA and is a medium protection. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this on my face. And guys, my face is already prepped. I just cleaned my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just literally going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to blend. I'm not gonna go near the eyes because I'm gonna put concealer there, just to give you that tinted skin and to protect you from the sun also. So it's not a foundation as such. So you can see how my face is glowing because I've already prepped my face, and this is not mattifying, a little bit to give you that glow. And I'm gonna take my concealer again and I'm just gonna place it under my eyes like so, a little bit here, just tiny bit, because we're not trying. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin. See, I'm not taking anything back, I'm just using what's on the brush, the applicator. So just a little bit there, that's it, just to give a little bit definition here. I'm gonna let that sit, and meanwhile I'm going to do a little bit of contouring using another darker shade concealer. I'm just going to place it like so, just a little bit, because I don't want too much. I'm just going to work a bit on my forehead, the nose, a bit of my chin to chisel it out. That's it. So I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm just gonna bronze it out, a little bit contour, and that's it. So I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and the bronzer, and I'm just gonna dip it in like so, tap off excess, and just go like try to define like contour my eyes. Just wing out. Nothing too fancy, just some simple contouring. That's it. Together. Just wing it out. That's it. Gonna do the same thing for the other eye. Just wing it out. Connect everything. Gonna blend everything together. Gonna take a bit more and just quickly put it on my lid like so. That's the eye. I'm just gonna take a little bit of cream eyeshadow, tap off the excess. I'm just gonna put it a little bit here to make it brighter. That's it. Then go back again and just blend in everything together. Blend out a bit the edges, get so smooth and so I'm gonna take a winged brush and I'm gonna add a little bit of dark to the outer V just for my lashes. Then I'm gonna look straight. It's nothing too fancy. Just like so. Nothing too fancy, just tiny bit. The eye. Just gonna take some powder and set my under eyes. So I took the powder and I'm just gonna dab it off the excess. And I'm gonna set my under eyes with it. Gonna take again for the other side. Take all the excess off and then I set the eyelids. After that's done, trying to open this, it's not opening. Just gonna take the brush and I'm gonna take the powdered bronzer and I'm just going to define this a bit more. Brush, you can use beauty blender. Head as well, we're gonna set it with the powder, and then our can chisel out the nose a bit more. This, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of dry powdered bronzer. Can get to open it. Then we will see. Taking the same brush. This is the bronzer. It's got a little bit of, it's a bit luminous-y, so you don't have to wear highlighter if you want, but if you want to wear highlighter as well, you can. So I'm just not gonna wear highlighter. I'm just gonna wear this because it's already got a bit of shine into it. Like, you see, just blend now. The rest of the stuff, you see what I mean? Very pigmented. Bring it a bit here to get that. Gonna do the other side. Then blend. Nothing too crazy. Still like coming through. Just gonna put a little bit on my temple as well and blend it out. Now I'm gonna take the sponge that I use for the foundation and the concealer, then I'm just gonna blend it in more. Clean this bit up. So guys, I've put my lashes on off camera and I dusted off the baking powder. So now I'm just gonna finish my lips, just a little bit, nothing too much, and then I'm just going to my finger. I kind of like messed myself up here, so let's just take the sponge and clean it up. And a little bit blue eyeliner under, so and I'll be back when I change. So guys, this is the final look without no filter. This is as filter free as it gets. So I've decided to change my top because I was feeling a bit uncomfortable because of my stretch marks, so I'm gonna go with this, and it's alright weather anyway, so